Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm called Aniko Blessing. Um, in my last video, I talked about Google Meet. So today I want us to talk about Google Translate. So Google Translate is a free online tool made by Google that helps you translate words, phrases, or an entire text from one language to another. So like when you go like abroad, or you go to Spain, France maybe, and you do not know how to greet or any language, or you want to communicate something to somebody you have met, you can use Google Translate to translate the language, like from English to Spanish, or from English to French, so that you can easily communicate or interact with people. It eases the communication between two people who do not speak the same languages. That's the use of the Google Translate. So I want to, without wasting time, I want us to dive straight into how to use the Google Translate. So me, I'm using a PC, so I'm going to come to my browser, which is Chrome, and I type in, just to ease my work, let me come to this 9 dots side. I come to this 9 dots, I scroll. Here's my Google Translate, and yeah, these are the features. These are like the features in the Google Translate it's giving me. So in my Google Translate, the language I can use, I can translate from English to what? To Spanish, or to actually, like if I have gone maybe to Spain and I want to learn like some languages, so I want to learn some Spanish words, I come here and I type Spanish. So like when I want to greet good morning, here's good morning in what? In English, it has translated it on this side. Here is where you can write what you want to translate, and this side, like on the right, it brings you the other language you want like to translate to. Like it has given me buen dia, like good morning. So I can also change, maybe I'm in Uganda. I can decide, and I'm from Kampala. I want to learn how they greet in Acholi. So I come these sides, I click on Acholi. Now I click on English. I want to translate it to Acholi. On the left, you write like the word, like the language you're using to write the text. Then its translate is on the right. So my good morning in Acholi, it has brought for me Ichoma Be. So I can also translate from Acholi to English. Like I have written here, meaning in actually it has brought me a translate, but in English, like how are you doing? So I can type, like if I'm staying in Gulu and I did not know the language and somebody has told me a word, maybe I want to know the meaning, I can come to Google Translate, I type the word they have told me, and here it is going to, and on this side it's going to bring me like the English version of the words. So that is text translate. Like I type the text in, like it's one of the features of Google Translate, like text translate, whereby I use the keyboard to type, then it brings from what? The translate. So we also have the image translate, whereby I can bring an image. I can bring an image, like I have this. So yeah, this is my text. So this is my text here. So this is my text that I have, and this is my image that I have. Like if I want to change this image like to another language, maybe to translate it, they've sent me an image and I did not, they have given like the image in another language. I can like copy, I can like get the image from my folder, then I put it in on Google Translate, and it's in English, right? So I can change it to like any language I want, like Arabic. Maybe I speak Arabic and I want to know the text, how like that, what the image is saying. So here it has changed it to Arabic. So if I want to change it to Acholi, yeah, here it has given me naturally. I can change it to any language I want. Like I want to change it to maybe the Roman language. Yeah, this is it. So I can change the text to like the image to maybe to any I can translate the words on the image like in any language I want. So like this one is in Acholi, this one is in Arabic. So I can just change the language on the image. So that is image text, like image translate. So let's go to another feature, which is documents translate. Like I want to translate my document. I'll come on file, open it. So I do have this, I have this. So this is one of my documents that I've got. I click on translate. So it has translated it to Spanish. So you can see my document here was initially in English, so it has translated it into Spanish. Let me show you the English version. Let me show you the English version of my document. So this was my English version of the document, like Gulu University Faculty of Education and Humanities, Department of Chemistry, course name, course unit, course code, name of lecturer, student number, registration number, date of submission. So this was initially in English. So when I translated it, it went from English to Spanish. So like here, I want it to translate itself from English to Spanish. So I'll click on translate, and I'll download the translate. I click on the document. So the document was made using MS Word. So here, yeah, you can see it has translated itself from English to Spanish. So that one is for document, but translate, it's for document translate. So let's go to website. You can also translate, maybe there's some website you are trying to open, like when you're trying to buy something from China, there's maybe from you are supposed to use some website and you don't know the language. Maybe you want to change from, well, maybe you are from Spain and you do not know the English language. So they have given you a website and you want to know more about the website and you know what is in the website. So you use Google Translate to translate the website to the easiest language you can access. So let's use, for example, the website of Como Technologies. Como Tech. So here I'm using like a website for buying stuff from China. I want them to translate it from English, maybe from Chinese to English. maybe from Chinese to English. So it's still loading. So this one, let me first stop it here. It has been from Chinese to English. So you can see now it is in English. So let me show you the Chinese version of it. So this is how it was in Chinese. So we are going to this is how it was in Chinese. So I want to translate it to what? To the English version. So this one is it. It has been translated. So Google Translate helps you like to know more about a website which is written in another language. So that you can easily access and prevent being scammed or being misled by lack of information. So that was what website translate, that website translate by Google Translate. So guys, thank you for watching. That has been Google Translate. So guys, please subscribe, like and comment for more information. Maybe if there's some concern, you can talk to me and I change maybe the way maybe if I'm too fast or I'm too slow, you can tap me in the comment section and I address it. Or if there are any questions, you can tap in the you can write it in the comment section and I address them. Thank you.